Ever wasted time waiting for a soldering iron to heat up? Not with the Fanttik T1 Max. This tool blasts to full temp in just 7 seconds. Yes, 7. You get 4 precision tips that snap in and out instantly. So whether you're fixing tiny circuit boards or working on crafts, you're always ready. Don't have an outlet? The T1 Max runs on both DC and AC. Take it anywhere, no limits. Safety matters. Auto sleep mode means it cools itself down the moment you set it aside. And it all comes in a sleek, premium aluminum case that looks as good as it works. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. If you still see the orange cart below, hurry, these are flying off the shelves!